case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1943 case that came before the Supreme Court, Korematsu vs. United States, the question at stake was, can a probationary sentence without a formal sentence be considered a final judgment so that it could be appealed? The defendant, Korematsu, found himself in the middle of this dispute when he appealed his probation sentence after being found guilty of breaking a law. There was division amongst lower courts as the Circuit Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit questioned its jurisdiction in this matter and sought clarity from the Supreme Court. That being said, the government held steadfast in its belief that a probation order, even without a formal sentence, is indeed a final and appealable judgment. The Supreme Court, taking into consideration previous rulings and various legal interpretations, decided to examine whether probation could be considered as a form of punishment, and if the lack of a formal sentence had any bearing on its appealability. The justices culminated their deliberations by trailing back to previous cases. They noted probation as a reforming discipline designed to reintegrate socially low-risk offenders back into society. In conclusion, the Supreme Court laid rest to all speculations and held the probationary order as a final judgment. The court explained that the probation order terminated all legal proceedings by stating the defendant's guilt, thereby necessitating enforcement. It was also stressed that the imposed disciplinary measures were indeed lodged for public protection, thereby making the order all the more final and appealable. With this landmark verdict, the Supreme Court shed light on this previously ambiguous legal circumstance, paving the way for potential fairer sentences for future probationers.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class